Hey kids, today we're going to teach the drones about plants. First, let's find the stem. See there? The stem is like the plant's backbone. It holds the leaves and the flowers in place so it don't fall over. Great job, man! Next, let's look for the leaf. There we go. Leaves help the plant make food from sunlight. Ooh, that sounds cool. Food from sunlight. Okay, I'm going to tap on the leaf. Rocky Tum Tum! Now, let's find the flower. The flower is bright and beautiful and pretty, just like you. See there? Now let's tap on the flower. Great job! Class, we're doing so great. Now, let's look for the roots. Roots are hidden underground and they help the plant to drink water and get nutrients. Underground, underground, underground. Oh, see there? Let's tap on the roots. Now for the last one, fruits. Now I'm hungry. Fruits are nature's way of protecting seeds so new plants can grow. Let's find the fruit. See the fruit there? Boy, it looked small. Let's tap on the fruit. Great job, Rocky Tum Tum. Now it's your turn.